Rose oil. The name itself evokes a sense of luxury and indulgence. It whispers of ancient beauty rituals and promises a touch of magic. For centuries, this precious oil, extracted from the heart of roses, has been prized for its exquisite fragrance and remarkable therapeutic properties. Imagine a field of roses, their velvety petals unfurling under the warm sun, releasing their intoxicating aroma. This is the essence captured in every drop of rose oil, a gift from nature that has the power to transform your skincare routine, soothe your mind, and enhance your overall well-being. Join us as we delve into the enchanting world of rose oil, exploring its history, its science-backed benefits, and practical tips for incorporating it into your daily life. Get ready to unlock the magic of rose oil and discover its transformative power. The story of rose oil is intertwined with human civilization, stretching back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, captivated by its alluring scent and therapeutic properties, revered rose oil as a precious commodity. In ancient Egypt, rose oil was more than just a fragrance. It was an integral part of their religious ceremonies, beauty rituals, and even mummification processes. Cleopatra, the legendary queen of Egypt, was said to be a devoted admirer of rose oil, using it lavishly in her baths and perfumes. Traveling along the Silk Road, rose oil made its way to ancient Persia, where it was highly prized for its medicinal properties. Persian physicians used rose oil to treat a variety of ailments, from headaches to heart conditions. The Romans, known for their love of luxury, embraced rose oil with open arms. They used it to scent their baths, their homes, and even their fountains. Rose petals were scattered on floors and used to stuff pillows, infusing their surroundings with the intoxicating fragrance of roses. Throughout history, rose oil has retained its status as a symbol of love, beauty, and luxury. Today, it continues to enchant us with its multifaceted nature, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science. The creation of rose oil is a delicate and labor-intensive process, a testament to the preciousness of this aromatic treasure. It all begins with the roses themselves, typically the fragrant Rosa damascena or Rosa centifolia varieties. Imagine the early morning hours, just as the sun begins to rise, casting a golden glow over the fields. This is when the roses are at their peak, their petals heavy with fragrant oil. Skilled hands carefully pluck the roses by hand, ensuring that only the freshest and most fragrant blooms are selected. The freshly harvested petals are then rushed to the distillery, where the magic of extraction takes place. One of the most common methods is steam distillation, a gentle process that preserves the delicate aroma and therapeutic properties of the oil. During steam distillation, the rose petals are placed in a large chamber, and steam is passed through them. The heat from the steam releases the fragrant molecules from the petals, which are then carried along with the steam to a condenser. As the steam cools, it condenses back into water, separating from the precious rose oil. The result of this intricate process is pure, unadulterated rose oil, a highly concentrated liquid that embodies the intoxicating fragrance and therapeutic properties of thousands of rose petals. Step into the realm of natural skincare, and you'll find rose oil reigning supreme. This fragrant oil, cherished for centuries for its beauty-enhancing properties, is a true gift for your skin. Imagine gently massaging a drop of rose oil onto your face, its delicate scent enveloping your senses. As it absorbs into your skin, it goes to work, delivering a potent dose of vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids. One of rose oil's most celebrated benefits is its ability to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. Its emollient properties help to lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and dewy. If you struggle with dryness or dehydration, rose oil can be your ultimate skincare savior. But rose oil's talents don't stop there. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory, soothing irritation, redness, and sensitivity. Whether you're dealing with eczema, rosacea, or simply a case of post-sunburned skin, rose oil can provide much-needed relief. And for those looking to turn back the hands of time, rose oil offers a natural solution. Its antioxidant properties help to protect your skin from environmental damage, while its ability to stimulate collagen production promotes elasticity and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Section 5. Beyond the petals, rose oil for hair and scalp. The allure of rose oil extends beyond the realm of skincare, reaching new heights in hair and scalp care. This versatile oil, with its impressive array of nutrients and therapeutic properties, can transform your hair care routine, leaving your locks looking and feeling their best. Picture yourself massaging a few drops of rose oil into your scalp, its delicate scent filling the air. As it penetrates your scalp, it stimulates circulation, nourishes hair follicles, and balances oil production. Dry, itchy scalp got you down? Rose oil to the rescue. Its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritation, combat dandruff, and restore balance to your scalp. Say goodbye to flakes and hello to a healthy, happy scalp. If you're longing for luscious, shiny locks, rose oil can help you achieve your hair goals. Its conditioning properties smooth down hair cuticles, adding shine and manageability to your tresses. Regular use can leave your hair feeling soft, silky, and full of life. And for those struggling with hair loss or thinning, rose oil offers a glimmer of hope. Its ability to strengthen hair follicles and promote hair growth can help to minimize breakage and encourage healthier, fuller hair. Section 6. Aromatherapy Wonders, Rose Oil for the Mind and Soul. In the realm of aromatherapy, rose oil reigns supreme, its captivating aroma possessing a unique ability to soothe the mind, uplift the spirit, and restore emotional balance. Imagine inhaling the sweet floral scent of rose oil, its calming essence washing over you like a gentle wave. As you breathe in the aroma, it stimulates the olfactory system, sending signals to the limbic system of the brain, the center of emotions and memory. This is where rose oil works its magic, helping to alleviate stress, anxiety, and depression. Studies have shown that inhaling rose oil can lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. It can also increase levels of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters associated with happiness and well-being. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or simply in need of a little emotional boost, rose oil can be your aromatic ally. Add a few drops to a diffuser, inhale it directly from the bottle, or incorporate it into a relaxing massage oil for a blissful aromatherapy experience. Section 8. Rose Oil Rituals. Practical tips for everyday use. Ready to invite the magic of rose oil into your life? Incorporating this versatile oil into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Mix a few drops of rose oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil, and apply to your face and neck after cleansing. Combine a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of yogurt, and 2 to 3 drops of rose oil. Apply to your face and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Dab a drop of diluted rose oil onto blemishes to help reduce inflammation and redness. Add a few drops of rose oil to a tablespoon of coconut oil and massage into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes before shampooing. Mix a few drops of rose oil with argan oil and apply to the ends of your hair to tame frizz and add shine. Add 5 to 10 drops of rose oil to a warm bath and soak for 20 to 30 minutes to relieve stress and promote relaxation. Combine 3 drops of rose oil, 2 drops of lavender oil, and 1 drop of chamomile oil in your diffuser for a calming and sleep-enhancing aroma. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace the magic of rose oil. As we conclude our journey into the world of rose oil, one thing is clear. This ancient treasure is more than just a pretty fragrance. It's a versatile, therapeutic oil with a rich history and a multitude of science-backed benefits for the skin, hair, and mind. Whether you're seeking to enhance your natural radiance, soothe your skin, calm your mind, or simply indulge in a little self-care, rose oil is a gift from nature that keeps on giving. Its delicate scent and remarkable properties have the power to transform your daily routine, leaving you feeling pampered, balanced, and glowing from within. So, embrace the magic of rose oil and experience its transformative power for yourself. Incorporate it into your skincare, hair care, and aromatherapy rituals, and discover the beauty and wellness benefits that have captivated generations.